been in education for 22 years now, and I'm still excited each day to come to work. I love my job. Every day as I strive to improve my practice, the full intention is, how can I bring this back to help our students? How can I help our students grow? How can I impact them? And how can I move our campus and district vision forward?
So tell me about it. How does it work for you?
Having the opportunity to empower our students as leaders is so rewarding. So I get to be involved with them in many different ways and providing them that opportunity to lead at the library and beyond the library. Really, this is just a larger classroom, because here in the library I work with students from all the classes.
My language is well enough to be able to tell you what, if it was like Japanese or Chinese characters.
I hope that people will think of me as someone that they can rely on, that's going to follow through, be there to support them, help them grow, encourage them, that I'm a positive force that they've met. I put all my heart into what I do every day, and I'm very passionate about reaching each student and connecting them with the right book and supporting literacy. And hearing my name called just, I don't know, it made me feel so proud, so happy, so grateful. I just felt like all the tears forming, and it was just like a very special moment for me. I love my PSJ family, and I feel inspired every day by all the different work I see happening here in PSJA. And I feel very honored to represent PSJ, and I'm so thankful for this opportunity to name me as District Teacher of the Year for Secondary.